Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I have a makeup tutorial and review on the brand new Too Faced Born This Way the Natural Nudes palette. So this is what the palette looks like right here. I'm sure you guys have seen it already. I've been so excited to get my hands on this palette. When I first saw this, I loved the look of the packaging and I loved the look of the shades inside, and like I love the whole concept of this. Like they've basically made this a palette, an eyeshadow palette that's going to match every complexion. So there is 16 eyeshadows inside, like that's what they look like right there, and I've put the shades in order really of their skin tone. So this section for light, medium and then dark skin tone, but of course you can mix and match and do whatever the hell you like with the shadows on your eyes, and this should still obviously complement your skin colour. For what I've done today, I have used a mix of the shades in here for this eye look. Although I'm kind of on the light to medium, depending if I have a tan on or not, skin tone bracket, I still like to mix and match all the shades, which is obviously what you want to do with an eyeshadow palette. You know, you don't want to just be stuck to a certain section. So for me, I have used a bunch of shades in this palette from, like, you know, all over the palette really, and I've came up with this eye look which I absolutely love. So the shades inside are inspired by the Too Faced Born This Way foundation shades, and also the concealer, I believe, because a few of the shades here, the names of the shades are some of the shades of the concealers I have. You know, like they have Swan, Nude, Glistening Snow, so like there's snow in the concealer, Sand, Petal, Maple, Cocoa, Sable, and you know there's a bunch of other names there which obviously represents the foundation shades and concealer. This is the first palette this year that I've been really excited about. The shades inside are just absolute perfection. They're my type of shades. I love nude shades. They're just absolutely perfect for everyday wear. For me, this palette is just perfect, and I'm going to get a lot of use out of this palette because the shades are definitely my type of shades, and they're just wearable shades. You know, there's a mixture of cool shades, there's a mix of warm shades, there's mattes, there's shimmers, there's metallics inside the palette. You know, it's just a very versatile palette that I feel like you will get a lot of use out. I personally will get a lot of use out of this palette. The quality of the eyeshadows are really nice, and the packaging is really nice as well. Even though it's cardboard packaging, it's really nice quality. It's quite a weighted palette as well, so it doesn't feel cheap and flimsy. It has a magnetic closure on it like that, you can see. It has a lovely big mirror inside as well, which is great. And yeah, the packaging design is just lovely. I love how they've done these like shades here, the complexion shades. I think it's really gorgeous design. I'm going to swatch a couple of them on my hand here so you can see the quality of them. So I'm just going to take this one here. This is under more of a kind of shimmer shade. Then we've got like some more metallic-y shades like Sugared Chestnut, which is this one. So this one at the top here is Shimmering Pearl. This is Sugared Chestnut. Then we've got, let's do a matte, we've got Cocoa, which is this one right here. Golden Light is another one of the metallic shades. Like, how amazing does that look when I just picked up my finger there? So I'm going to swatch that on, and that's it right there. Like, these are such high quality eyeshadows in here. Absolutely stunning shades. This one here, a little bit more of a metallic-y shimmer shade there. So that's Warm Rose. Sparkling Sable. This one is a bit more of a metallic shade. It's a little bit kind of, you can always tell they're always a little bit kind of thicker in pigmentation. Like, when you pick them up on your finger, they're a little bit thicker, if you know what I mean. So that's a metallic shade there. Absolutely stunning, like very pigmented. This one is Rose Gold, which I'm running out of space on my hand now. But I just wanted to swatch a few of them here. I'll insert full arm swatches though for you. But that one at the top there is Warm Rose. Like, look how amazing, how metallic they are, how much sheen you get off them. Does it fix this Cocoa one right there? So yeah, that's a bunch of the shades swatched on my hand there, and you can see like the pigmentation is really great. They are very high quality. You can see like the sheen of them. They don't look chunky, they're not patchy in any way either, which is good. So yeah, I came up with this eye look using the palette, and I have used a bunch of shades in it. I didn't specifically stick to one section in it. I went all over the palette, used mattes, shimmers and metallics, and this is the look here. I really love how it's turned out. Very pigmented eyeshadows, like everything blended really nicely together. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this palette to you guys. Like, out of all the palettes that are out right now, I think this is the one that you probably get the most use out of, because the shades inside are like perfect for every skin colour, complexion. They're daytime eyeshadows, they're nighttime eyeshadows. There's some warm and cool tones in it as well. If you're looking to get any new eyeshadow palette right now, I would say this one. This one is amazing. So yeah, if you like the look of this eye look and this whole makeup look, then let's just get started with the tutorial.